Can you imagine a world where AI takes over the newsroom? Well, it's slowly happening, with the line between humans and machines blurring to create a future where we're witnessing AI becoming an integral part of several industries. So, what's next? Hi there, everyone. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into AI news. This video will explore the evolving landscape of news media and how AI is reshaping this consumption through AI-powered news. What exactly is AI news? Is it revolutionary journalism, or perhaps a recipe for disastrous misinformation? Let's find out. Back in the early 20th century, newspapers were the primary source of information for the masses. The advent of the printing press propelled journalists to research and craft stories that were edited before they were disseminated among the public. For a long time, journalists were the major source of real-world information, ensuring that the most accurate and intriguing news made it to the print. Fast forward to the mid-20th century, radio became the herald of breaking news directly into people's households. With radios, broadcasters could deliver breaking news and updates in real time to audiences across the globe. It seems old-fashioned right now, but at that time, it was revolutionary. Then television changed the game of how news delivery worked by introducing a 24-hour news channel. Viewers could tune in to the world events, listen and watch vividly in their living rooms. But it wasn't until the internet age that news truly made its digital debut. That's when websites such as CNN.com and BBC News Online transformed the way audiences consumed information, empowering users to access news articles and videos from their PCs and phones. As the internet evolved, it also revolutionized the way we consume news. Social media platforms such as X, formerly known as Twitter, and Facebook transformed into virtual newsrooms where users engaged in a rapid-fire exchange of information in real time. Throughout history, each innovation has shaped the dissemination of news. The most profound shift is perhaps the fusion of artificial intelligence into the fabric of the news industry. Enter artificial intelligence. With the rise of AI technology, news organizations have slowly integrated machine learning algorithms, such as the natural processing language (NLP) algorithm, to streamline repetitive tasks such as data analysis, detection of emerging trends, and generating basic news reports. These allow the news to break at the speed of thought, making it possible for the newsroom to sift through vast amounts of data to generate articles in record time. This shift allowed journalists to focus on deeper investigations and provide human-centric stories to the captivating audience. We're talking about the general audience, so what about you? How do you like your news served? In today's digital world, a news platform knows you better than yourself. It's both oddly fascinating and somewhat terrifying how AI algorithms analyze your behavior, browsing habits, and social media interactions to serve up a personalized selection of news articles and videos that are tailored just for you. That's not all. AI-powered chatbots have stepped into the news landscape to chat with you about the latest headline or provide instant updates 24/7. Reuters, the popular news agency, recently said there is no doubt that AI can enhance the way news is reported and delivered, as well as improve workflow efficiencies for businesses across the board. And let's not forget how AI technology has changed the editorial landscape by streamlining workflow efficiency. Smartify was launched almost 2 years ago, becoming the first AI-driven feature of its kind that utilizes the power of historical data to predict optimal editorial actions. The platform analyzes performance matrix and timing to provide real-time recommendations that are tailored to the needs of editors, such as share Article A to X, formerly known as Twitter, craft a follow-up to Article B because of the high traffic, and so on. Platforms such as Otter.ai are also used by journalists to transcribe audio from the interviews. AI is also being used to produce content on data-driven and insightful reports such as sports games, earnings stocks, etc. With the help of AI, these mundane, boring tasks are being optimized to help a reporter focus on more important tasks while still producing content. Andrea L. Guzman, associate professor in the Department of Communication at Northern Illinois University, a human-machine communication expert, says AI is assisting human journalists in doing their jobs because what AI can process and the information it can provide is at a larger scale than what would have taken months, if even possible, for a human journalist to do. Misinformation also poses a significant challenge in our digital age. But with AI a potent tool that emerges as a beacon of hope with its advanced capabilities, it can effectively identify deceptive news articles, analyze how they are circulated, and alert human fact-checkers to ensure the integrity of factual reporting. Let's not forget that AI-powered news has a plethora of side effects too. One of the most controversial consequences of employing AI in journalism revolves around the use of deepfake technology. What are deepfakes? Well, these are high-quality and incredibly realistic videos, manufactured by artificial intelligence to potentially sway public opinion and spread false information. For example, you can find deepfake videos of Trump resisting arrest or Elon Musk protesting in New York. The lifelike quality of these videos is chilling. But that's not only it. Reuters Institute for the Study of Journalism published a report, Journalism, Media and Technology Trends and Predictions 2024, that collected responses from over 300 top executives across 56 countries. The report revealed that almost 70% of senior editors and CEOs in media firms expressed concern that the rise of AI and generative AI technologies could negatively impact the public's trust in news. And there's another issue with the AI. It is quite biased. Unlike human journalists, who are trained to detect bias and mitigate subjectivity, AI doesn't have that critical thinking ability. Instead, it relies on the data it is fed through an algorithm. And if that data is biased, well, the AI will churn out biased news reports. This customized news feed leads to echo chambers, where you only see content that supports your own ideas. However, researchers are actively working on AI-based systems to counteract the negative consequences of echo chambers by classifying political perspectives on news content and delivering users with political stands information through quantitative methodology. This has led to the development of the Here system, a platform that is developed to diversify the user's exposure to every news perspective, empowering users to explore news articles from a spectrum of points of view and voice their opinions on specific political issues. Another extensive survey by Journalism AI implied that journalists are expressing their concerns regarding artificial intelligence. The report highlights the challenge of keeping pace with AI's rapid evolution. These results were drawn from the consultations with 105 news and media organizations across 46 diverse countries. Interestingly, the survey revealed that 40% of respondents have indicated little to no change in their approach to AI over the past few years. We can attribute this to the initial stages of the AI journey, or maybe facing limitations in effectively incorporating AI within the newsrooms. What's more is that a significant majority, almost exceeding 60%, have expressed their doubts regarding the implementation of AI technology in the work because of the lack of values such as accuracy, fairness, and transparency. No, there's a lot of worry about artificial intelligence taking over human journalism jobs. Quite frankly, it's impossible. Yes, AI can help with a multitude of tasks, such as transcribing audio, generating articles based on insightful data, or even publishing reports. Humans are needed to understand the bigger picture. AI journalism mostly focuses on automating boring and repetitive tasks, and it leaves the more important stuff to humans. Say what you want, but AI can't add that human touch to create a human-centric storytelling that captivates the audience. Plus, AI doesn't have the ability to think critically. It can only churn out data based on the information already available. So no, the bots will not be taking over human journalism jobs anytime soon. One thing is for sure, AI is going to revolutionize the newsroom of tomorrow. The future of journalism will definitely witness humans teaming up with AI for better news delivery, and we can't wait for that. That's the wrap on the YouTube video. Thank you all for joining us today. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of artificial intelligence. Until next time.